In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Notion on Windows. Notion is a powerful all-in-one workspace for notes, tasks, and projects, and getting the Windows app only takes a moment. I'll walk you through each step clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. First, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or whichever browser you like to use. Make sure you're connected to the internet, then click into the address or search bar at the top of the window. Next, type Download Notion in Windows and press Enter. You'll see a list of results. What you're looking for is the official Notion website. It usually appears right at the top and will show a link to Notion's site. Before you click, double-check the URL so you know you're in the right place. The official domain is Notion.so, and you should see a secure connection indicated by HTTPS. This quick check helps you avoid third-party sites that might bundle unnecessary software. Click the official result to open Notion's download page. Once you're there, look for the button that says Download for Windows. It's typically easy to spot and clearly labeled. Go ahead and click that button. Your browser should immediately start downloading the installer file, usually a small executable with a name that includes Notion. If your browser asks where to save it, pick a location you'll remember, like your Downloads folder. If you see a small prompt at the bottom or top of the browser confirming the download, that's normal. Just allow it to proceed. If the download doesn't start right away, give it a few seconds. Sometimes a quick refresh of the page helps. You can also try clicking the button again. In some cases, your browser might block the download temporarily and ask you to confirm. Choose the option to keep or allow the file if you trust the site, which you do here since it's the official Notion page. Once the download begins, you'll see progress either in your browser's download tray or inside the Downloads folder on your computer. That's it. You've successfully downloaded Notion for Windows. To recap, we opened a browser, searched for Download Notion in Windows, selected the official Notion website, and clicked Download for Windows. You're all set on the download part. Thanks for following along, and great job getting Notion onto your PC.